Hello and welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be talking about none other than the mother of Dogecoin, the slayer of Bitcoin, the launcher of rockets, the complicator of baby names. I'm of course talking about Elon Musk. Elon, I think, is the world's first billionaire troll. And he recently made his debut on SNL where he revealed that he has Asperger's. And I know that for a lot of people it was shocking because it was the first time they'd heard it. And that got me thinking, like, Elon Musk occupies such a large part of pop culture. And yet for some reason, we don't really know a lot about him. So on today's video, we're going to deep dive into Elon Musk's life and try and figure out what made him the guy that looked at a piece of crumpled paper and said, this is now going to be a car. So here's Elon Musk's life story told through 25 facts you didn't know about Elon Musk. Let's start the video. Today, Elon is worth billions of dollars, but growing up, he was never that rich. Elon's mom is a Canadian model and his dad was an engineer in South Africa. They both fell in love, came to South Africa, and then they had Elon. What's even more interesting is that Elon didn't even have a stable childhood. His dad was abusive, and Elon has even gone on record to call him evil. In fact, he used to also get bullied as a child in school. One time he was bullied so severely that he actually had to be hospitalized. Number 2. Elon was also kind of a prodigy. He learned computer programming when he was just 10 years old. Since his dad wasn't getting him a better computer, he thought, क्यों ना मैं कोई सॉफ्टवेयर डिजाइन करके बेच दूं और उस पैसे से एक नया कंप्यूटर खरीद लूं. He felt he could then use the better computer to write better softwares and so on and so forth. Even at an early age, he was thinking like an entrepreneur. And what was I doing when I was 10? The answer is this emoji, but in Hindi. Just comment what you think the answer is, and if you get the answer right, then you will get this emoji, but in Hindi as a gift. So there was a magazine called BTA Office Tech that used to buy softwares from people and publish them every month. Elon coded and created his own game called Blastar. He then sold it to the magazine for $500. I don't know what you're thinking. Yes, you can still play that game online. Link in the description. Number 3. Elon is a college dropout, but even there, he's a class apart. Elon actually graduated from Pennsylvania University with not just one, but 2 degrees. One in physics and one in economics. And all of this in just 3 years. And then he went on to pursue a PhD at Stanford, but he couldn't even tolerate that for 2 days. Yup, he dropped out in 2 days. His idea was that he'd spend time starting a company with his sibling Kimball. और अगर वो company fail हो गई, then he would come back to Stanford. But sadly, that company never failed. So sad. Number 4. Before doing things on his own, Elon also tried finding a job. Internet तब नया था and the biggest internet company was Netscape. And this meant a lot of tech guys were looking for jobs in just that one place. And that meant Elon failed to get hired. So what did he do? Well, he just decided to start his own company. Elon बचपन से ही coding सीख रहा था, so it was natural that his first entrepreneurship would be a software company. Since the internet was new, companies were still adapting to it. And Elon realized कि paper companies को adapt करने के लिए अपना content digital बनाना होगा, and there was no software to help them do it. And that's how he and his brother came up with the idea for Zip2.com. They worked hard on the company, and within 3.5 years, they sold it to Compaq Computers for $305 million. उसमें से Elon got a whooping $22 million and he was now a millionaire. But those 3.5 years were not at all easy. Number 6. While working on Zip2.com, Elon didn't have a lot of money. And तभी सारा tech innovation Silicon Valley में हो रहा था, which is actually a very, very expensive place to live. So Elon hustled. He rented a cheap office space, and since the office was cheaper than a house, that's where he used to sleep. He used a shower at a local gym, and he was dealing with a lot of student debt. But thankfully, all that hard work paid off, and now he found himself with $22 million. So what did he do with that kind of money? I mean, what would I do with that kind of money? Buy a car! And that brings us to number 7. And the car that Elon bought was not just any car. It was a McLaren. His first lavish purchase was a McLaren, and he wasn't even a good driver. So what do you do with this McLaren? Well, once Peter Thiel, while going on a meeting with Elon, asked him this exact question. He was like, what can this car do? And as a joke, Elon was like, watch this. And he drove the car onto a collision course and just crashed it. गाड़ी की हर तरफ से लग गई थी. Of course, ये incident इतना iconic था that years later that car sold for a lot of profit. But anyway, Elon and Peter were on their way to a meeting with Sequoia Capital when this whole thing went down. So what did they do? Like proper businessmen, they hitchhiked. Number 8. Well, Elon had just found himself with a lot of money, but he's an entrepreneur at heart. So that McLaren was his only lavish purchase. Most of the remaining money, like a good boy who watches honestly, he reinvested it in a new company he was founding. With $10 million of his $22 million fortune, he founded X.com. And for that time, X.com is pretty impressive. I mean, not just the tech, but also the way they found users. So X.com was a website where you could email money to each other rather than doing things in cash. That's right, even before Paytm or Alibaba were a thing, in 1999, Elon was already figuring ways to digitally transfer money. And when you emailed money to a friend, they automatically had to get on X.com and just like that be recruited into the system. Within a year of launch, they had 1 million customers. X.com is actually what we now know as PayPal. Peter Thiel and Elon Musk, just pure genius. Within just 2 years of PayPal's launch, eBay had purchased it for a crazy valuation of $1.5 billion. Isme se Elon got $165 million. In fact, eBay bought PayPal for such a high price because by 2002, 25% of their transactions were happening on PayPal. Elon, with his perfect timing and genius at play, had struck gold again. Now I think it's a good time to dive into some well-known facts about his personal life. Number 10. Elon's been married 3 times, of which twice was with Tola Riley. Elon has 6 kids and I know कि तुम सबको सिर्फ एक ही के बारे में पता है. His name is...
I mean, it's just X, the letter X. And then the AE is like pronounced Ash. Yeah. And then A12 is my contribution.
Oh, why A12?
Archangel 12, the precursor to the SR-71. Coolest plane ever.
They actually named their baby Ash 812 like this, but later on they realized that Roman numerals looks way cooler, so they changed the name to this. And if you're a billionaire who wants to send people to Mars, I think you get to decide what cool is. Number 11. Once Elon had become a multi-millionaire after selling PayPal to eBay, he could have, retired. That's what most people in Silicon Valley do. You make some good investments, you buy a nice island, and you set off into the sunset. But Elon has been making the most of compounding since he sold Blastar as a child. And you should make the most of compounding too. How? By saving and investing. Check out the link in the pinned comments to see what apps I use to invest. And you should start on your journey as well. Anyway, so Elon decided to take all that green paper and help the planet go green. Tesla is one example. The company was actually never started by Elon. It was started by 2 engineers जिनको लगा कि big car companies खुद से कभी electric cars नहीं बनाएंगे. So they came up with this startup and they were always looking for funds. And Elon decided to give them $6.3 million worth of funding.
In April of 2004, Musk invested $6.35 million of his own money in the Series A round to help get Tesla Motors off the ground and became chairman of the board.
By 2008, he became the CEO of Tesla. And a lot of things we adore in Tesla were his ideas, including the famous carbon fiber bodies. But his contribution to green innovation doesn't end here. Number 12. If you want people to buy electric cars, you need charging stations. But for charging stations to exist, there need to be electric cars. Catch-22. Elon solved this by taking matters into his own hands. He came up with Solar City in 2006. The company designs, finances, and then installs solar panels.
So we're going to show you, this is the before shot of that house over there. So that's what it looked like before. Now that's all solar. Yeah. I think we've got some close-up shots that we can show.
And in collaboration with Tesla, it also constructs electric car charging stations. Basically, Elon is driving an entire energy ecosystem, and that's pretty insane. Number 13. 2008 was probably the worst year for Elon. He released the Tesla Roadster. लेकिन उसी साल 2008 का economic crash हुआ था, so the sales never picked up. Things were so bad that Tesla almost bankrupt हो गई थी.
And there's an important point about Tesla, which is whenever somebody buys the Tesla Roadster, even though it's a $100,000, $109,000 sports car, and it's kind of a fancy sports car, every penny that Tesla goes into development of lower-cost mass-market vehicles. So the company doesn't issue any dividends, nor will it ever. My salary is minimum wage. So I'm a volunteer.
Elon wasn't even letting his friends invest in the company because he thought they might lose all their money. Things weren't getting good even on the personal front. His first wife filed for divorce and their marriage came to an end. But if you persevere enough, rock bottom ke baad, there's just one place to go and that is up. Trust me, I know. A short while after his divorce, he started dating Tallulah Riley and he proposed to her within 10 days. She said yes, and within 5 years, Tesla stocks were up by 400%. Number 14. If you've listened to Elon speak for even 5 minutes, you know he cannot shut up about one thing. It's about humans being an interplanetary species. He really wants कि हम सब लोग धरती छोड़ के Mars पे settle हो जाए. Like when Paresh Rawal said this, he was actually talking to Elon Musk. And so in 2016, he announced his mission was to achieve it within the next 8 years.
And I think if things go according to plan, we should be able to launch people probably in 2024 with arrival in 2025.
Which is very ambitious considering 5 years have gone by. But to imagine all that and put your money behind it, that's crazy. Well, Elon is working on it with a company he started in 2002 called SpaceX. SpaceX, even in 2002, काफी ambitious था. Elon felt कि NASA जैसी organizations rockets पे बहुत खर्चा करती है. His goal was to try and create and sell rockets to them at 3% of the prices they spend right now. He's also trying to design rockets जो reuse किया जा सके, which has never happened in the history of space technology. Now, Star Wars fans must have noticed that he calls his rockets Falcons. That's because he too is a crazy nerd for that movie franchise. Number 15. If you've ever got the vibe that Elon is a teenager जो Twitter पे edgy post डालता है और cool science fiction gadgets बनाता है, then you'd be surprised to know that he's actually quite political. And also, unlike most politicians, very sincere about his beliefs. 2017 में he joined Trump's cabinet to shape the country's policies. But a man of his principles, he quit that year itself after Trump decided to withdraw the US from the Paris Agreement for climate action. Number 16. Being the blabbermouth funny guy that he is, Elon ने एक दिन बकचोदी में tweet कर दिया, I'm considering taking Tesla private at $420. Funding secured. Now, as per a later investigation, ऐसा कोई funding secure हुआ नहीं था, but he had just gotten excited about a potential deal. His tweet caused the markets to react violently and the stock prices fell sharply. और US के Securities and Exchange Commission ने Elon को accuse किया of market manipulation. They said he was intervening in the markets, which was true. His shareholders suffered a lot of losses and a bunch of them even sued him. Now, the SEC wanted Elon to pay up a lot of fines and never be a board member of any publicly traded company ever. But just a few days later, Elon came out of this intense grilling, paying $20 million of fine, stepping down as the chairman of Tesla, and agreeing to hire lawyers who will vet all his Tesla tweets. Getting lawyers to vet everything you say, Elon? Relatable. Number 17. In February of 2018, Elon did a Mahasangam of his two big startups when he put the Tesla Roadster on top of a Falcon rocket for launching into space. And Elon being Elon, he also put a dummy in the front seat of the car. It was the silliest thing done in the world of astroscience. But the idea was to show off कि Falcon एक car जितने heavy objects को भी space में carry कर सकता है. The mission was successful and the Tesla was launched into space. It circled the Earth for 6 hours and then escaped Earth's orbit. And as we speak, the car is still in outer space with its lonely driver on a voyage through the solar system. Now we're at number 18. So I'm going to tell you a story about Elon that might make you think he's a little weird, which he is, and that's a good thing. Anyway, now imagine you're stuck in Mumbai traffic, and if you're anything like me, if you're stuck in traffic, I just take out my phone and start scrolling Instagram. But Elon gets stuck in traffic and he's like, oh my god, this traffic is so boring. I'm just gonna throw $100 million at this problem and start a company that can dig a hole into the ground and make this whole thing a lot more seamless and beautiful. That's literally how it started. Joke में he tweeted, traffic is driving me nuts. I'm going to build a tunnel boring machine and just start digging. और सिर्फ 5 मिनट में ही he tweeted, I'm actually going to do this. It shall be called the Boring Company. And just like that, a billionaire stuck in traffic created an infrastructure and underground tunnel making company. By now, he already has contract deals with LA and Chicago. He wants to build tunnels that help reduce traffic but also be much cheaper than whatever tech we use now. Number 19. While Elon has a net worth of over $20 billion, his official annual salary for Tesla is just $1. It's very similar to the policy followed by folks like Steve Jobs when they used to head Apple. Number 20. If you love Iron Man and you're a big fan of Robert Downey Jr., you'll be crazed to know that Robert Downey Jr. ने Iron Man play करने के लिए inspiration Elon Musk से ही लिया था. In fact, Elon Musk has even done a cameo appearance in Iron Man 2.
Okay, Mr. Musk. How are you?
Congratulations on the promotion.
Thank you very much. Thank
Hey.
you.
Those Merlin engines are fantastic.
Thank you. Yeah, good idea for an electric jet.
You do?
Yeah.
Then we'll make it work.
And if there was any doubt that he's the coolest billionaire to exist, you should know he's done cameos in Simpsons,
Hello, I'm Elon Musk. What the?
The Big Bang Theory,
You gotta be kidding me.
Sorry?
You're Elon Musk.
I am?
South Park,
And welcome to the tour. I'm Elon Musk.
and very recently Saturday Night Live.
Thank you very much.
In fact, as we speak, Tom Cruise and Elon Musk are working together to shoot a scene in space. SpaceX के एक कैप्सूल में Tom Cruise and his director will be flown into space this year to shoot a movie scene set in real actual space. Number 21. If you ever wanted to work at SpaceX, Elon has once said in an interview that his hiring policy, he says people should be easy to work with, and that to him is one of the most important factors when creating a strong team. In fact, he personally interviews every new hire at the company to make sure that they're indeed not assholes. Elon once said in an interview that his hiring policy is pretty simple. Quote unquote, no assholes.
It's very important to like the people you work with. Otherwise, life, your job is going to be quite miserable. And in fact, we have a, a strict no assholes policy at SpaceX. And we fire people if they're, we give them a little bit of warning, but if they continue to be an asshole, then they're fired.
Number 22. Other than Star Wars, Elon is a big fan of James Bond, and he owns the custom-made submarine car that was used in the Bond movie, The Spy Who Loved Me. And of course, it doesn't end here. Elon says कि Tesla Motors की technology और इस submarine car के design को merge करके he wants to make underwater vehicles a reality. Damn, that would be awesome. Number 23. Speaking of sci-fi, have you ever wanted to control your phone with your mind? Just type by thinking? Call someone by just remembering their face? All of this is coming true thanks to Elon. In 2016, he started a company called Neuralink. The people at Neuralink are researching कि कैसे एक चिप को सर्जिकली आपके ब्रेन में डाला जा सकता है such that वो आपके ब्रेन एक्टिविटी को रीड करके टास्क परफॉर्म कर सके. Initially, the idea is to use the machine to help paraplegics and people with motor disabilities. In principle, Neuralink can fix anything wrong with your brain, even help people with lost eyesight. Humans could even interact with each other without speaking. Yeah, that sounds a little bit like Black Mirror. But hey, here's hoping it doesn't turn out that bad. And if you're watching this in the year 2060, please leave a comment and tell us that it all doesn't go to shit. What's happened in 2060? What is life like in 2060? Please let us all know. Number 24. One of the most random things you'll ever find Elon selling is something called Not a Flamethrower. It's a gun that throws flames, but it's called Not a Flamethrower. And it is called Not a Flamethrower because when it was launched, American customs बोले कि ये सब airport पे allowed नहीं होगा. You know, knives, guns, flamethrowers. So Elon was like, okay, let's just call it Not a Flamethrower then. Elon is big brain, 220 IQ.
देख रहे हो दोस्तों 220 IQ.
This is called The Boring Company Not a Flamethrower because it actually isn't really a flamethrower. I mean, yeah, it does shoot flames.
Number 25. Well, it would be stupid to end this episode without telling you what you can expect from Elon in the future. So he's been working on this Hyperloop, which is probably the fastest mode of transportation at 800 kilometers an hour. Hyperloop is solar powered and is cheaper than railways, sustainable and immune to disasters. The project is still in trials and is many years into becoming a reality. Elon has also been working on Starlink, which is the idea of having 12,000 satellites in space to relay the internet to the poorest places in the world. Clearly, if you keep up with Elon's brain, the future is very, very, very exciting. It's pretty clear that Elon has had quite an adventurous life. He's gone from struggling to pay his rent to being the richest man in the history of this planet. And his life offers a lot of insights on what calculated risk-taking, foresight, and compounding can do for a person. And I think we all can learn a bunch from his journey. On that note, we've come to the end of this episode. If you enjoyed that, then please hit the like button. Tell us what life is like in 2060 in the comments. Follow us on all our socials. We are on Instagram and Telegram. And of course, check out my third channel called Super Pumped. We go deeper into crypto over there. Link is in the description. And if you think there's somebody else who should get a dedicated video like Elon, let us know in the comment section. I'll see you guys next time.